If you want to close a tab in Chrome quickly using your keyboard, this simple shortcut will save you time every day. Instead of reaching for your mouse and clicking the X on the tab, you can close the current tab instantly with just one key combination. This is one of those small browser shortcuts that becomes incredibly useful once you start using it regularly. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips just like this. Now let's get into it. To close the current tab in Chrome on a Windows computer or a Chromebook, simply press Ctrl and W at the same time. That is Ctrl plus W. As soon as you use that shortcut, the tab you are currently viewing will close immediately. If you have multiple tabs open, it will only close the active one, so be sure you are on the tab you actually want to close before pressing the shortcut. This shortcut works great when you are browsing, researching, working, or just trying to clean up a cluttered browser window faster. It is much quicker than manually closing tabs one by one with the mouse, especially if you are dealing with lots of open pages. And if you accidentally close a tab, Chrome also gives you ways to reopen it, so it is a very practical shortcut to remember. So again, the keyboard shortcut to close the current tab in Chrome is Ctrl plus W. Try it now, and you will see how fast it works. If this tip helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple shortcuts and computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.